Hello again. So today we're going to go through and figuring out why my creative profile of a wireless that I did the other day is not appearing on the devices that I wanted to be deployed to behind the scenes. And people are asking, what are they missing? What's going on? So today we're going to go through the Apple School Manager profile, and we're going to go through and see why it was not deployed. So down here is Apple School Manager with Jamf. You can also find me on jamfgenius.com. I'll take you to my support page so I can additionally help you out. So this is a profile that I created here. It was called Baker Students Wi-Fi. We're going to hit that. And then what you want to do is, if your profile is already there, as we can click here and it's already there, you want to select on your scope, which is right below General. In the scope, you want to go ahead and select on this profile will be distributed to the following device groups. So you want to make sure you select your specific device. So we're going to hit plus, we're going to hit the drop down, and yes, we can have it go to teachers, but teachers are on a different Wi-Fi, so we're not going to bother with that. So in my school institution, you should, as well as your school institution, you should have different groups for your different grades, or maybe you have one group that has all of them. So here it's more granular for us, so we want to make sure we put the students in the first grade, the second grade, the third grade. And you can keep going. If you have like 12 grades, and then you're going to have to do it all for 12 grades. If you have one group that does it all, then that's good too. Here, fifth grade, we have 0, but it's not, it shows 0 devices, but we're going to select it because maybe in the future there will be devices. So just right there, as you can see, all the devices are down here at the bottom. So you just hit save, and that's pretty much it. So now the device will be, that profile will be deployed to all and every one of these devices. So now you are complete. Now the device is being deployed as we speak, and it's going to the devices. So if there's any other additional questions, feel free to reach out and be glad to help out. This concludes the video. Feel free to subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.